If you're a juice lover just like I am, then investing in a juicer is the way to go. There are so many different flavor combinations that you can create. And one of my go-tos at the moment is pineapple, kale, and cucumber. I call it Tropi-Kale. I think it's a great name for it. And just to give it an extra tropical feel, I'm going to add some lime. So with the kale, before I add it to my juicer, I always like to take the fibrous stalk out. Even though the machine will separate this, it still gives it a bit of a woody flavor, so I don't want that. So just use your knife just to run down it. And with all kale and all these leafy greens, give it a really, really good wash before you chop it. In fact, when I do a bit of prep for my juices for the week, I do wash this and get them all ready to go, place them in a container so you don't have to worry about doing this every single morning. And that goes for all the other ingredients like the pineapple, I get it peeled, and the cucumbers washed. So now that that's done, we can start juicing. Now I don't add the kale first because it's the least juicy ingredient. So I'm gonna start with the cucumber. Jug underneath the spout, we'll turn the machine on, some cucumber, half of the pineapple, then I'm going to add the kale and then the rest of the pineapple. Okay, juice is ready to go. Let's build this. So I've got these really cool lime cubes. So it's gonna make it really cold and refreshing. So we're just gonna pop a few of these cubes out and then into some glasses. I'm gonna add about 3, and then all we need to do is pour our Tropi-Kale over the lime cubes. Oh my gosh, how good does this look? A little on this one. I like how it's slightly thick too, and that's because of the pineapple. A little more. There we go. That is such a great way to start the day. Super refreshing and healthy. That's the whole point of freshly squeezed juices at home. Cheers.